In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a goal as complete in Google Calendar. This is a really simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you track your progress and stay organized. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have Google Calendar open in your web browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once you're in Google Calendar, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where you normally see your calendars, such as your main calendar, birthdays, or reminders. What we want to do is switch the view so we can see your tasks, including the goals that are connected to them. In the navigation panel on the left, find the section that shows your different calendar types. Depending on your setup, you may see an option labeled Tasks, or an icon that represents tasks. Click on that option to switch to your Tasks view. This tells Google Calendar that you want to focus on the items you've set up as tasks, which often include personal goals, reminders, and to-dos. After switching to tasks, look at the main calendar area in the middle of the screen. You should now see your tasks or goals displayed on the dates when they're scheduled. These might appear as small entries with a task icon next to them. Find the specific goal you want to mark as complete. If you have a lot of tasks, it may help to use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate the name of your goal. Once you've found the goal, move your mouse over it. You should see a small empty circle next to the task name. This circle is the completion checkbox. To mark your goal as complete, simply click on that circle. When you do, it will change appearance, usually showing a check mark, and sometimes dimming the text or moving the task into a completed section. That visual change confirms that Google Calendar now recognizes the goal as done. If you clicked it by accident, you can click the circle again to uncheck it and restore the task. This flexibility is helpful if you're marking several goals at once or if you're reviewing your progress and need to make corrections. And that's all there is to it. By switching to the task view and clicking the